Alright guys, welcome back. It's Evan with Team How To. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom channel URL, and that's going to give you a easy to remember web address or URL for your YouTube channel.
If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.
And before we go any further, I would like to tell you guys that there are custom URL eligibility requirements. And there's 4 requirements, and what they are is, the first is you need to have 100 subscribers or more. The second is your channel needs to be at least 30 days old. Number 3 is you need to have an uploaded photo as your channel icon, which is right here. You can upload a logo or a photo. And the last one, simple, you need to have uploaded channel art, which is the header up here. And if you do meet all the requirements, it's a simple edit to give you a custom URL. You'll come up here to the right top corner, left click on your picture, drop down to settings right here. From here you'll come all the way over to the left bottom, advanced settings, and here where it says custom URL, I've already updated ours to the Team How To here. But this is the spot that will tell you if you're eligible to change it. And if you are, you just click on the little link that it shows. And that's where you can create your easy to remember custom URL. And if I click the link here, you'll see in this browser bar here, that is your custom URL. And you can share that link on your blog, your other websites, and it looks way better than the standard gibberish URL that you would normally see. Alright guys, like I said, quick and easy. I hope that was helpful. And if it was, don't forget to like the video.